Om Ganeshaya Namaha.
Welcome to Steady Die Casting Solutions, and here I am your presenter Bharat Sharma. We are here to present you my one of the defect control course, which is on based recognizing and control flow defect. Right? Names of 3 die casting surface defect. Second is which is the more important for good casting surface finish, the alloy or the metal pressure, right? And third one is what will happen if the metal temperature is too high. Fourth is does the gate velocity of the metal influence the die temperature. Fifth, what is the minimum temperature of aluminum to get a very good surface finish. Sixth one is what happen if the die spray time and the casting cycle time are both increased, right? Seventh is what changes can be made to correct gold flow defects. Eighth one is when other when other things remain the same but the gate area is reduced, what happened to the plunger tip. Ninth is what happened when the gate size, the plunger size and the hydraulic pressure are all increased. 10th one is when the plunger diameter is decreased, what happened to the fill time. 11th question is what happened when the vents in a die are filled with flashes. And the last question is true or false, the die spray time, cycle time and cooling water flow must all be controlled within a set limit to produce consistent quality casting, right? So there are 12 questions, and you already write down your answers. Okay, so all the answer for these questions you will get in this training course. Okay, so we'll move further. First we will